If your webcam is not working in OBS Studio, first make sure the camera is connected properly and that no other application is currently using it. Open OBS Studio and check the Sources section. If you haven't added your webcam yet, click the plus icon and select Video Capture Device. Choose Create New, give the source a name and click OK. In the Device dropdown, select your webcam. You should see the camera preview appear in OBS. If the preview is black or the webcam doesn't appear, check your Windows camera settings. Make sure camera access is enabled and that desktop applications are allowed to use the camera. Next, close applications such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or other programs that may be using the webcam. Many cameras cannot be accessed by multiple applications at the same time. You can also unplug the webcam and reconnect it to another USB port. If you're using a built-in laptop camera, restart your computer and test it again. If the webcam still doesn't work, check for driver updates in Windows Device Manager. An outdated or corrupted camera driver